Welcome to the last special report for 1997. In this week's program, we take a look at the amnesty applications of the men in whose custody Steve Biko died, and at the Truth Commission process through the lenses of photographers. But we also investigate human rights violations of a very different kind, the young white men who had to fight the politicians' war on South Africa's borders. To Port Elizabeth first. The application of the 4 security policemen for amnesty for the death of Steve Biko ended this week. Biko died in a police cell in 1977. But the Biko family's quest for truth was still thwarted as the policemen who were in the room when Biko received the fatal blow to his head persisted with their denials of culpability.